Hi, I'm Shivakumar Ramchandran. I'm a founder and product strategist. And over the years, I have led and delivered several tech enabled businesses. I've been working with Parth and his team at Savyasachi Infotech since 2019. And what started as a one off project has now turned into long standing trusted partnership. Back in 2019, I was in a bit of a tough spot. I was building a mobile delivery application, and suddenly a couple of developers dropped off mid project. I needed someone who could come in quickly, understand the mess, and bring the product to life and fast. That's when I came across Path. His company was just starting out. I think it was just him and one more developer back then. But even with that small setup, what struck me was his attitude, a very calm, composed, and absolutely solution focused. The project was the beginning. From there, we went on to work on several projects MVPs, SaaS based platforms, mobile applications, backend systems across different domains. It never felt transactional. Path wasn't just a developer for me, he slowly became more like a product owner. He would think through user journeys, suggest alternative flows, bring in new architecture ideas, often before I had even considered myself. What I really appreciate about Parth is how deeply he cares about what he builds. He doesn't just follow instructions, he questions, he challenges, he brings a very practical founder like lens to everything. Whether it was creating a scalable system, managing tight deadlines, or just staying calm through the chaos, he always showed up with clarity and commitment. The communication has always been so clear, and the delivery was solid, and the mindset very product first. There have been so many moments where his proactive thinking made all the differences, like suggesting a complete new flow when we are stuck with user onboarding, or coming up with a lighter background architecture to reduce cost during the early stage of a launch. Working with Parth has helped me move quickly and confidentially. Because of this partnership, we have been able to say projects launch faster and scale smarter. I could trust that once something was handed over, it would get done, and I wouldn't even a follow up what's going on path, right? And more importantly, it was done right. That level of ownership is rare when you're actually having a vendor working along with you, or a third party company working along with you. So I haven't seen any such kind of issues working with the Path and Sabyasachi Infotech. If you are really looking for someone who doesn't just code but thinks, builds, and grows with you, I would strongly recommend Path and his team at Savyasachi Infotech. They are not just vendors, they are partners you will want to keep around for the long run. Thank you.